So okay guys, for this last video, so we're going to solve for the arc length of the L3, which is this one, from 0.53 up to 2.327 and negative 1.365. So what we're gonna do here is apply the same concept we applied on the L1. So to start with, for the arc length, our first idea here is from this point, let's create a line here that connects to the center up to this one. We all know this one is 90 degrees, right? This is 90 degrees. While this one, from the point center, connect also to the point of intersection of the parabola and the circle. So what we're gonna do here is, okay, since okay naman ito na dyan, this one is 90, we need to find the theta here, this angle theta. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to find the slope of the line from this one up to the center. So what I mean is from point to 0.327 and negative 1.365 up to 50, we're going to solve for the slope. The formula for slope is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So our slope therefore is, just simply substitute, bisan di lang mauna. So let's start with negative 1.365 minus 0, this is y2, this is y1, all over 2.327 minus 5, and that will give us a slope of, so gabagyo rin dyan sa UX sa Sibalan, so will give us a slope of 0.510662. Okay, so since we're going to find the theta here sa figure natin, what we're gonna do is to simply arctan the slope and we will find the theta. So sa previous video, nakita nyo man to kung paano din solve ang theta, diba? Or ang slope. I mean, kay naso ka dyan, baliskad lang. So your theta therefore is arctan the slope, calculator. So you will get 27.05 degrees. Okay? Therefore, that means, oh sorry, ang involved talaga nga theta is this one. This one. Diyan ang involved natin nga theta. But actually, sa trigonometry, the angle of elevation here is also equal to the angle of depression here. Okay? So, amura nga, the theta, theta nga isagap natin sa slope nga to kang line is equal to this one, which is also equal to this one. Okay? So, therefore, dito dyan ko nandungan ang circle. Assumption lang dyan, namin circle. Okay, namin dyan circle. Perfect. So, from this one, we all know this one is 90 degrees and this one is 27.05 degrees. Okay? So, what's gonna happen? To find the arc length, this one is very basic. We'll use the common formula. S is equal to r theta. So this one is taken from plane geometry. This corresponds to arc length of circle. This one is the very most most speedy type of formula. But we can also use the formula S is integral of theta 1 up to theta 2 r d theta. So let's apply first this one before ang jang hulas-hulas. So to get that, we'll use S is equal to integral of your theta 1. This is your vertical horizontal line, right? So from this one up to this one, that is approximately also equal to 90 degrees. So your theta 1 is equal to 90 degrees. But your theta 2 must be bigger. So from this one, from the point of origin up to this one, so pirara ka degrees. So you add, this one is 180 plus 27.05, you will get 207.05 degrees. Your r here corresponds to your radius, which is 3 d theta. But take note, it should be in radians. Therefore, this one should also be in radians. So what will gonna happen is multiply it by pi over 180 to make it radian, and also this one pi over 180. And put your calculator on radian. radian mode. Okay? So, what will happen is amo yung tsura ka equation mo sa calculator. Pero naka-radian ikaw. That is the integral of 3d theta with limits 90 degrees times pi over 180 with limit upper limit 207.05 degrees times pi over 180. So computing for that, we'll get an arc length which is equal to 6.1287. Okay, so this is your arc length units. So, but to make it more convenient, we'll use this first formula. Okay na, this is taken from plane geometry. So, last na try gamitin. What we're gonna do is S is equal to radius, which is 3 times theta. But your theta should be in radian. So, what we're gonna do is S is equal to 3 times the theta that we're talking about here is the theta from the 90 degrees. Kaya dyan ba yung limit natin? Because dyan ang point mo, dyan man ang sarang point. So, we're going to find the angle theta subtended by this arc length. So, what's gonna happen is, this 90, manan natin 90 dyan kayo na, this is 90, and may sobra kita nga 27.05. So, what's gonna happen is, i-add lang natin dyan. So, 90 plus 27.05, that is equal to 117.05 degrees. But your theta here should be in radian. So, that means we're going to multiply by pi all over 180. So, computing with that, your arc length, check natin kung mag-equal. It would give us 6.1287. Oh, patas na. So, they're equal. 6.1287 units. So, arc length is solved. Tapos na arc length. Now, to find the centroid of this one, we'll use the same formula we applied before sa may L1. So, wait, drawingan ko na eksakto. Okay, so this is our circle. So, this one is 90 plus this one, this is 27.05 degrees. It will give us a total angle of 117.05 degrees. Okay? Now, what will happen is we'll take the half. Patas kinakinubra to sa L1, take the half of this angle, total angle. So that means this one. But medyo may problema lang tangwa gamay dira. Okay? So if half ko dya, that means this part here is equal to, pirabay, divide ko lang dyan sa 2 eh. Okay. That means this one is 58.525 degrees. And this one angle here is also equal to 58.525. But take note of this one. May sobra kita dyan, may gamay mo kita dyan abilin. So what will happen? We all know that this angle here is 27.05 degrees. So if this is 27.05 degrees, pira ang radian angle sa babaw. So just simply subtract mo dyan sa 58.525. 58.525 minus 27.05, you'll get 31. So that means this angle here is 31.475 degrees. So that means this angle here is 31.475 degrees. And now, since we have the theta here, sige lang. We have the theta here. We have to find the slope of this line. Okay? So, since may center kita dyan 50, ma-find natin ang point of intersection later on. Same concept with L1. Pag na-find ang slope, we can create the equation of the line. And when we have the equation of the line, we need to find the point of intersection. Okay? So, just simply tan theta is equal to M. But take note, this 31.47 degrees, 0.475 degrees, as you notice, it creates a slope or a line leans to the left. That means this 31.475 degrees is taken from clockwise direction. That means this one is negative. Since you can take mo from clockwise direction, that this 31.475 is going upward. So against na sa correct nga sa positive na direction, that means it's negative. So your theta should be in negative. Kag noticeable man nga your line here is leaning to the left, that means you have a negative slope. So your M here is So your slope therefore is negative 0.6122. So this negative ito na lang ha, para mas lasing na mamanan, since taken from clockwise direction. Okay, since you have a slope, just simply use the formula. Negative 0.6122 is equal to y minus, our y here is 0, all over x minus 5. Cross multiply, you will get negative 0.6122x. 0.6122 times 5, you will get 3.06 plus 3.06 is equal to y. So therefore this one is the equation of the line. Okay, so to find the point of intersection, simply input mo lang dyan, substitute mo rito sa formula kang circle. Once nga na substitute mo rito, it will give you x and it will give you y. So, and take note, if bahal nga y ang itugro na, balik kita sa original draw. This one, may tsura na, no? May tsura na. Dahil. Take note, if tugro na ka bahal nga value ni x, baka tugro na ikaw kang 7 point something, that means, dito na lang nasagap mo, bugat tiri dyan. Take note, you need to find the smaller value. Kaya rinjarata na sa 1, 2, between 2 and between 2 man sa y, 2 sa x kag 2 sa y. So sagapan mo lang rata na. Still hindi ka matalang kay balikan mo drawing mo, kung binaal mo karon, abo tama na gid na ra. So check mo lang, rinjara dapat na. Okay, so once na find mo ang centroid, still apply the same kung ano maging nahimo ta kana sa L1, gin rotate ta sa amo dia sa amo tong axis, rejang axis, still same, apply the same technique, same approach. And that's all. Hoping na naintindihan niyo. Thank you for watching my video. Sorry gid because ashfall. So may what may mo online tutorial kita. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow sa school. We do that all day. That our subject problems we can't even say.